Are you struggling to keep up with your social media for your business? When is the last time you posted on your Facebook business page? If it's been a few months, don't worry. You're like most business owners out there. You're busy. We get it. And that's exactly who I like working with, busy business owners like you. My name is Sarah Douglas. I'm also a business owner and social media specialist. I've had the privilege throughout the years to help hundreds of entrepreneurs and business owners with their Facebook marketing, their social media strategy, and making sure they're reaching their audience on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you name it. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. I want you to join my Facebook 101 online course. I give you 7 great lessons on Facebook marketing, and this is for the long haul, right? It's not about all the hacks and all the craziness. It is actually the basics of Facebook 101 and running Facebook to reach your target audience on Facebook. And you'll leave with a social media strategy, with a plan in place, right? You'll leave with a content calendar, exactly what everybody wants to know how to plan it out. You'll leave with knowing how to schedule your posts. You'll also learn about advertising. We all need to advertise, even if it's a small dollar amount. You need to be advertising as a business. And then you'll also, we'll go over Facebook Live as well and answer any questions you have on using Facebook. Facebook live video, right? It works. So I hope you click on the link below and you join the class. You have access to talk to me in our special Facebook group, and I'll give you tons of downloads so you have plenty of resources throughout the course. So click this link, and I hope to see you at the end of this course, and I hope you reach out to me and show me everything that you learned.